Dominic was not a careless person, but he was always broke. Anytime he got money, he felt relieved. Ha ha, I can breathe. One day, he got $150. He said, "This time, I'll use it well." Morning, data, $10. Nothing serious. Friend, bro, send $5. He sent it. Afternoon, food, $15. Evening, scrolling. He saw clothes. He didn't plan it, but he bought it. Night, guy, I need urgent $10. He sent it. Before he slept, he checked his balance. $55. He paused. Wait, how? No big spending. Just small things. The next day, same thing. By the end of the week, Dominic was broke again. Not because he had no money, but because he didn't notice how it was leaving. So he changed one thing. Before spending, he waited 10 minutes. Before sending, he asked, "Do I really need this?" And everything changed. Because the problem isn't your income, it's unconscious spending.